Welcome to JH. Today, I am going to guide you through the process of fixing Steam when your PS5 controller is showing Xbox buttons. This is a very common issue that many gamers face when trying to use a PlayStation controller on the Steam platform. I will walk you through the exact steps to resolve this problem in just a couple of minutes. To start, open your Steam application. If you haven't done so lately, ensure the app is fully updated on your PC. Once Steam is open, go to the login page and click on the login button visible on your screen. This will prompt you to provide your account credentials. Enter your account name and your password carefully. If you happen to forget your password, you can use the recovery link to get back into your account. Once you are ready, click the Sign In button. If your login is successful, you will be taken to your Steam homepage. From here, you need to navigate to the Library section, which is where all of your games are conveniently stored. Once you are in the library, find the specific game you want to play or the one where you are seeing the incorrect controller icons. Right-click on that game title to bring up a menu with various options. From this list, you must select Properties. When the Properties window appears, look for the Controller tab, which is typically found on the side or at the top of the window. Take a second to find it, and then click to open it. In these settings, you will see a drop-down menu. Click on it, and choose the option to disable Steam input. By selecting this, you are telling Steam to stop remapping your PlayStation controller as an Xbox device. Now that this configuration is set, you are ready to play. By disabling Steam input, your PS5 controller will no longer display Xbox buttons, allowing you to enjoy your game with the correct PlayStation prompts. This setting will remain saved for this game in the future. However, remember that if you see this issue in another title, you might need to repeat these steps for that specific game as well. And that is all there is to it. With just these few quick actions, your PlayStation controller should now work perfectly with your Steam games. Enjoy your playtime, and please subscribe for more useful gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.